Hi community! In today's video, we'll create a setup to post underperforming ads, catch late conversions, and notify us about such ads. Often, after posting an ad due to low number of conversions, late conversions start coming in, and the ad suddenly shows a good CPA. In such cases, the good practice is to reactivate the ad and give it another chance. Today, you'll see how to automate the entire process, from pausing the underperforming ads to reactivating those where results improve with time. Let's go ahead and create a new rule. I'll name it Late Conversions. Select Add Account and change the scope level to Ads. The main metrics we'll look at are the number of leads, cost per lead, and amount spent. And since we don't want to pause ads too quickly, we'll consider several time frames: today, yesterday, and last 3 days including today. This rule will have two groups of conditions, so I'll add one group by clicking plus group. The first group will consist of two conditions: leads, today equals 0, or cost per lead today is greater than 10, which is the threshold for my case. For you, it will be a different value. Note how we changed the default AND operator to OR by clicking on it. This group ensures we pause ads without any leads or where the cost per lead is too high. Next, we'll add another group with the same conditions, but change the time frame to yesterday. Click the three dots, choose Duplicate, and change the time frame to yesterday. Lastly, we want to check the amount we spent. So let's modify the spend condition to spent today and yesterday is greater than 40. One last condition worth checking is spend over a higher time frame. Let's add another condition: spend last 3 days including today is greater than 50. To summarize, we want to pause ads if spend is higher than the given threshold for today and yesterday, and the last 3 days including today, and at least one of the conditions is true in each group. By the way, if there is a specific metric you want to use in the rule, you can create it using the custom metric builder like this. You can also use Google Sheets integration if you are storing this metric in a sheet. Find out more about this integration in the video description below. Now let's continue with the second part of the rule, catching late conversions. In case late conversion comes in, meaning cost per lead drops to our expectations, and there is at least one lead, we want to restart such ads. Click plus Add Task, change the task to Start, and use the conditions. Leads today is greater than 0, and another condition, cost per lead today is less than 10. If both these conditions are true, the ad will be restarted. Below the page, I'll set schedule to run every 15 minutes and notifications to reach my email address. I can also add my teammates and clients here. Great! The rule is ready to go live. And this is all for today. Try out this setup and let us know your best way to check for late conversions. See you in the next video.